Hello. So recently I got a new query regarding Google Ads. Let's discuss. Need advice. I'm optimized current Google Ads campaign or start a new one. I'm running a Google search campaign in Arabic, targeting calls, leads for mobile app development in UAE. Okay. So even my Google partner company is registered in UAE. So yeah, quick stats. 70 days. Spent 3,030 AED, around $825. Clicks 240. Conversions 20. CPC at $3.4, CPA $40. So yeah, conversion rate is 8.5%. I have tried switching bidding strategies between clicks and conversions, but changing to conversion tracking sometimes doesn't show results. I use exact and phrase match keywords, a strong negative keywords, and good asset headlines. Okay, next steps I'm considering: optimize current campaign, increase budget, switch to target CPA 41, refine keywords, start a new hyper focused campaign, narrow ad groups, maximize conversions, maximize CPC $4, then gradually shift to target CPA aiming for $40. Challenge: my target market is UAE business individuals looking for mobile app development. Mostly keywords are low volume, limiting impressions, clicks, and automated bidding data. I'm unsure whether to optimize the current campaign or start fresh for better CPA and conversions. Any advice or similar experiences would be appreciated. Okay, first of all, you are running a good campaign. $25 being spent, 3,030 AED, and you got some good conversions as well. 20 conversions. It seems good. And because you tried switching between maximize clicks and maximize conversions, you didn't discuss regarding which worked better for you. But in my opinion, the maximize conversions will work better for those campaigns who have got good conversions. For new campaigns, I recommend to go with maximize clicks. But once you get some good clicks, you can shift with the maximize conversions unless and until that is not performing at all. I have seen some scenarios as well where maximize clicks only works well, but maximize conversions doesn't work at all. That is a very, very rare thing, but what some I do have seen this as well. So my question is, okay, you have done this good that you are using exact and phrase match keywords and a strong negative keyword list and a good ad assets and headlines. So you are doing this part a good one. My opinion over here is also to look around for anti-fraud clicks as well, because the fraud clicks are happening every time. So we need to strongly hold this. You can use a good analytical software for IB behavior or any one as well. And regarding your next steps, you're considering regarding optimizing your current campaign. My recommendation, it's a good. You can go with target CPA. You can try the TCPA with maximize conversion, $41. Refine keywords, good strategy. And your second is starting a new hyper focus campaign, narrow ad groups, maximize conversion with maximize CPC, then gradually shift to target CPA aiming for $14. No, I will not recommend this part. And because your challenge are most keywords are low volume, if you can do one thing over here, and I usually suggest people over there with this scenario as well, because you have a working campaign, running campaign, and I do not want you to spoil it. What you can do over here is you can create SKAG campaigns, single keyword ad groups campaigns for those keywords which are working for you. For instance, you got 20 conversions, and look around for those keywords from whom you get 20 conversions. Create specific ad groups and create specific ad headlines and target those keywords specifically which have generated you a lot of sales, and put more money on those keywords instead of other keywords. So this could actually help you. And if you feel you can create a specific campaign, if all in all you have to create a new campaign, then create only for those keywords through which you got these 20 conversions. But I think this is not the right time right now for a new conversion. Right now we have to get more conversion, more data. So the ad groups is a better formula. Remain in the same campaign, create more ad groups specifically for those which are generating full conversions, and create, if possible, you can create customized landing pages for them as well, or maybe you can try to have 2 to 3 new landing pages and divide it with these new ad groups you have created, so that you can have a maximum customization and personalization with the audience who are clicking, because it's very important to understand the intent. Someone clicking on your ad has a something persona in your mind, in his or her mind. So your ad should match that persona. Your landing page should match that persona, and the expectations the user have when they clicked on the website, if all in all fulfills, and you are offering definitely something better than your competitors, and you got amazing reviews and you got amazing customer service, no doubt the customer is going to be yours. So I hope this answers your queries. And in case if anyone needs a full Google Ads audit setup or management or any other digital marketing services, we are a Google partner company. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.